Hi there, plenty of weather to talk about through the next few days. And of course, Storm Dennis arriving during the weekend. There is more unsettled weather on the way. But for the rest of Wednesday, well, slightly quieter compared to the last few days. There will be some sunshine out there and the showers easing a little. But it turns increasingly unsettled once again overnight. Now, the showers for the rest of Wednesday, North Wales northwards, falling as snow over the hills, generally above 150 metres, but they are easing. There's some sunshine in between the showers. Further south, rain showers mainly for the rest of Wales and the southwest. Best of any sunshine there for parts of the Midlands, East Anglia. Perhaps not feeling quite so cold, but still a marked wind chill, even though that wind is a little less blustery compared to the last few days. Further showers Wednesday evening for much of England and Wales, and then more persistent wet weather arrives by midnight. Wales, southwest England, sweeping into the Midlands, eastern England, northern England, as well as Northern Ireland, could cause issues there in Northern Ireland by the end of the night. Yellow rain warning in force. With the rain, we're going to see the wind picking up. Coastal gales surround southern and western parts of Britain, and some lively showers following the more persistent rain, so a noisy end to the night. Around those lively showers, the wind could really pick up, exposed parts of southwest England 60, and in some of the most exposed spots, Isles of Scilly, for example, risk of 70 mile-per-hour gusts for the start of Thursday. Very different conditions for north of the central belt here. Cold, clear, calm, as low as minus 12 degrees where we've got a snow cover and shelter from the breeze. With that cold air in place across northern areas, well, the rain bumps into it and there's the risk of disruption from snowfall across the higher ground of northern England as well as southern Scotland. Mainly the snow falling and accumulating over the hills above 100 or 150 metres, but for some parts of southwest Scotland could come down to low levels. Now, that's how Thursday morning starts. Very lively conditions there in the south with some heavy downpours and some strong winds. The hill snow for northern areas, but it all does ease away by the time we get to the afternoon. Cold and clear conditions persist across northern Scotland and increasingly Northern Ireland. Brighter skies. Cold, grey and damp there for southern Scotland, northeast England. Otherwise, it's a case of blustery showers for the rest of the country. With a stronger wind, it's not going to feel particularly warm anywhere, and it's going to feel especially chilly around those North Sea coasts. Say goodbye to that low, and then another low comes along for the end of the week. Neither of these are Storm Dennis. Storm Dennis still to come for the weekend. Friday's low, some distance away from the UK, however, but it will swing a weather front in, turning the skies cloudy from the word go across the country, and then wet and windy weather sweeps into western Scotland and Northern Ireland during the morning, and all of this pushes across the country for the second half of Friday. Rain warning there for southern Scotland because of the persistence and heaviness of the rain falling onto saturated ground for parts of southern Scotland, as well as some snow melt. Blustery showers follow on for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and, well, as far as temperatures are concerned, it's not going to feel particularly mild, but they are a degree or two up compared to Thursday. Once that is out of the way, well, then our attention really does turn to Storm Dennis. And once Storm Dennis arrives, although it does sit to the northwest of the UK, you can see this swathe of strong winds across the country during Saturday, Sunday and the start of next week. 3 days of wet and windy weather. Yellow warnings in force for different parts of the country at different times. My best advice is to follow us on social media, head to the Met Office website and download the app for all the details on the warnings and forecasts for the next few days and the weekend.